Good morning. I'm headed to take the kids to school. Their lunches are packed and my daughter has her iced coffee. Showing you iced coffee. Yeah, my iced coffee. Josh in the back. Tell him hey. Hey. And we are on the way to drop him off first. Mom life. I'm looking a hot mess, but this is how we start our morning. I meant to show you me packing their lunches. Maybe I'll when I pack it tonight, I'll add a clip in for y'all to see how I pack their lunches for school. They take their lunches every day because they don't like school lunch. But I'm on the way to take them, and I take my son first. He has to be there before my daughter. She's in middle school. Then I take my daughter second. So, yep, this is us in the morning. Morning traffic. It is crazy for some odd reason on this Tuesday morning. Monday it was a smooth transition, but we are like 2 or 3 minutes behind. So I guess this is what you get. Somebody, I believe, just rear-ended somebody. So I'm having to get in the next lane, and it's gonna make us behind. Yeah. This guy done got out his car. I don't understand what's going on here. There's a cop, hopefully. See, he just got out his car. Where he going? I don't know. He's just throwing stuff on the way. I don't know if it broke down. Let me let my daughter get the footage while it's running. So he broke down. Made it to my son's school. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And it's still a line. So I may have to get out and take him in. Josh, you ready for school? Josh? What's today?
Tuesday.
What y'all do on Tuesdays? You love PE, don't you?
I could jump on the basketball.
You what? I can't hear you.
I said I could jump on the PE basketball court.
Oh, you can dunk on it? Okay. Tell me about your Lexile.
I'm 700 Lexile.
On reading. And then how many more you gotta go?
I think I go to 1,000.
So you're almost there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But I'm doing bonus because you're really supposed to be at 480.
No, you're supposed to be at 480, but you at what?
700.
Good job. Go ahead and get your mess and all your stuff ready for you can get out. If some of y'all new here, Josh used to, I won't say struggle with his reading, but he had to have some assistance sometimes. It's not because he couldn't do it, it's just he didn't want to do it. So now he's excelling because he loves to read, and he's doing a real good job. Our looks are so chapped. In the wintertime, they even more chapped. Teaching styles definitely matter. So anyway, I'm going on and on, so I'll talk to y'all later. Careful, get your mask. Just so you get it out.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, have a good day. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put a load of laundry in the washing machine. My daughter's stuff. She has cheerleading and she wears uniforms to school. So I try to, so she has cheerleading clothes that she wears, cheerleading practice clothes, uniforms. She just have a lot of more clothes than anybody in the house that gets dirty. So I'm putting this load in now in the washing machine, and yeah. Hey guys, so I know you've seen in the previous clip that I was brewing my coffee right after I dropped the kids off. I wanted to come in and share that this coffee machine I got for $9. Yes, $9. It's a touchscreen Keurig machine, and I haven't really explained on my videos I've shared so far, but I think I am actually addicted to thrifting. I've been going to several local thrift stores, and this particular time that I went with my husband, and he saw this. He knew I wanted a Keurig machine, which he was gonna buy me a brand new one, but I was like, no, let's wait. Let me do some reviews first to see if I really like that brand that he was trying to get me. So I done waited around, I didn't have one. So now we just happened to be in the thrift store, and they had this on the shelf, and of course I thought it was trash because it didn't have the drip pan right here, if you can see it. So I was like, that's trash, we're not about to buy that. And he was like, babe, trust me, this is a touch screen. And he pulled it up on his phone and showed me how much one actually costs. And this same machine, I think it was like $100 and something on, I want to say Amazon. I got it for $9.09. I tried to keep the tag on here, but hubby we done used it several times. He done peeled it off. But I paid $9.09 for this machine, and it's black. Let's see if I can pull it out a little bit. And it's a decent size. See, it holds a decent amount of water, and it's black and silver chrome. I really like it, and he can order me the drip pan right off of Amazon. They sell it by itself. So right now, if you've seen in the previous clip, I had a paper towel under it. Hey, it works. My $9 machine. We love it, y'all. We love it. And let me show y'all this right here, something I done created since I can't figure out which type of what you gotta eat K-cup holder I want to order. So I just done created this with some clear plates. Let me show y'all. So that's what I got so far. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show y'all that. And right next to it is my air fryer. I love the air fryer. I got it from Amazon. It's the Go Wise USA. And it has several options like air fry, grill, roast, toast, reheat, keep warm, dehydrate, bake. So I love it. I've had it now for I think a year and a half, and it is amazing. Anyway, on the next clip, you will see me kind of behind the scenes on my other business, my photography business. So yeah, let's get right into it. She got lost on good. She girly. I love you. I gotta have more Easter. You ready? I said Easter shot, yeah. You gotta get your head. pose. You gonna do a pose? Do a pose for us. Yeah, do it. Put your hand on. You put your hand on your hip and do your little foot like that. Put your feet like this. Camera. Oh. The birthday word says, y'all got the who can't go out the door. All that came in there? Say hey. Kids, way back to camera. Hey. Why you moving? I want you to yeah. Keep moving. Hello. Go up and down like a butterfly. No. Yeah. She was doing good till you got here. Let me see. There you go.